What's going on today? Give me a thumbs up to this video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Yes, I had me a salad here. Had me some pickled beets and a tossed salad with some raisins on it and ranch dressing and some pineapples. I also have my dinner right here. 2 chicken wings, a drumstick, some string beans, rutabagas, sweet potato souffle, mac and cheese, and some rice and gravy and a roll with that margarine, with that butter. But I'm gonna work on the salad first. So how everyone doing on this Sunday afternoon? Really good. You like it, Nate? Me and my daughter Nate eating dinner. Well, our dinner early, cause we have to be to work. So we eating. I need a straw. Oh, here we go. I'm so thankful to have a job today. Everyone's so worried about, oh, the food stamps gonna get cut off and all that there. Y'all gonna still eat. Don't even worry. Then you got people worrying about why people spending the stamps. That's why they gave them to you, to spend them on food. It's crazy. Salad is really good. I hope y'all can see my food. I don't got much room at the table. Monet at the other side of the table, so don't really have much room. So I hope y'all can see. I'm trying to let y'all see. I think they can see it. If y'all gonna eat, people gonna survive. Don't even worry and stress. But the thing that gets me is people is worried about people spending them. And I don't understand that, because that's why they gave them to you for the month of February, for you to spend them. It don't matter if you spend them now, you can spend them. You're going to have enough food. If not, go to the food bank. But people worrying about people spending their stamps. I'm like, why is they worried about that? That's not really your business. If you ain't getting those stamps, then don't worry about it. And if they want to sell them, let them sell them. They just want, their families just want to nothing to eat next month. That's on them. I'm worrying about it. You know, I stopped worrying about things that I don't need to worry about. And I stopped worrying about it. And I stopped worrying about it. I'm telling you, every time I say I stop worrying about it, the miracles come. Y'all better start singing it. But yes, I'm enjoying my salad. I have to, because somebody said, get some beets. That's some pickled beets. So good. With some pineapples. Oh, got me a Pepsi and Tropicana lemonade mix. Tastes good, like a lemon flavor. Put some hot sauce. Y'all want to see me eat some of the other food? Okay. I thought I heard somebody singing something like that. Rutabagas. Some string beans. Sweet potato souffle. That mac and cheese. Somebody wanted some. I just put right on this. It felt right on my shirt. Somebody want to say? Rock you. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up to this video and subscribe to my channel. And comment. I had rice and gravy. We had rice and gravy too, Mona? They did that. Miss Tracy